I'm feeling lucky today because I get to do a little bit of woodworking, taking a break from my digital curating myself, my life story, and I get to stop and work on a top for the Printmaking Teachers in a Box, one of the prototypes. This is one here. It has the wee woody Rembrandt press in the bottom. It has a paper making kit in the top, and there will be plate making and printing and a geosocial network associated with the Printmaking Teachers in a Box as I see it. This one's going to include the newest edition of our daughter's version of Rembrandt's Secrets, which is a kind of a textbook backstory for the Printmaking Teachers in a Box. Still needs some more work, but this lid is supposed to go like this. Oops. Thanks for watching.